Hello everyone, good morning. Ayan. Today's vlog, ayan. Today's vlog is magagawa ko ng orange juice with carrots. Ayan, meron tayong na-slice na orange juice at meron akong carrots. So ngayon, ano natin sa ating juice maker. Thank you so much for watching and God bless. Love you. So, ito na guys, yung aking nagawa ng orange juice with carrots. Thank you so much for watching and God bless.